So today is one of those crazy days. We got a client coming, so bus is going out, that's Coco, and a lot of shuffling going on in the shop. Okay, so that is the Hobo that just went out. Wrong, that was Magpie that just went out. Hobo went out prior. Once again, my apologies for all the air. CNC is rocking today. So while most of the boys are dealing with the bus handoff today, John is just outside this door prepping some materials for Abby. That's the Ponderosa build. Well, tell us what you're doing, John. Well,
some Christian fanciness here. We are making a window.
Okay, so Christian had this lovely idea to build some very fancy trim slash build out for our windows going into the van. What we're gonna end up with here is some beautiful Baltic or designer edge lines in our build out. It is looking pretty good.
Make sure you're gluing the end body.
Can I turn the vacuum on or what?
Can you?
Yeah.
You can. I won't be happy about it, but you can. Excitement about
all the impacts and the drills got put back.
Oh, the boys are tidying up. Organization.
And now I better put this one back.
If you guys have been watching, you've seen we've been working on systems to try to stay organized in here. I think the boys have it down. Okay, so Ben has arrived and it's time for a tour, I guess.
Originally built by Paved To Pines, so I started to look you guys up and finally talked a few times and got my bus to build started.
That's pushing out a unit. Okay, Ben's getting his first look here.
Oh my god, eh? Nelson!
Come on! Nelson! Come on, buddy!
Okay, I'm going in.
You go for it, dude. Check it out.
Yeah.
Now that's
Oh, button.
be a button. There you go.
Yeah, I thought it was like a switch. Oh yeah. See?
Yeah, you do have good head height.
Yeah, no,
Oh, yeah.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
No, this is nice.
Here, we'll get all the lights on for you.
Yeah,
too.
turn a little lights.
Well, thank you guys. The backsplash is nice. See, I'm tired of speaking French, English. No, this is great. Oh yeah.
What's favorite? First look.
It's hard to say.
It's too much.
The living room wood stove, like I can see myself here,
Having a baby.
just like enjoying a movie. But the thing I want to buy, I've got to measure. How do you take this off? You got 2 liters?
2 of them. And then same thing on this table. 2.
So it'll work. Because it's just, like, you guys are young. I'm 50, right?
So it's trying to make
If I stop any type of working out, I ain't going back. I quit.
Yeah. Okay, so Frankie is currently going through the tour, kind of startup shutdown. It's a lot to take in on the first tour. Your water heater?
Okay. So if I go to any, oh, that's nice. Yeah, you can figure if I've got one of the kids who gets on my nerves.
Well, right?
Oh, I should mention. Yeah.
Primed every time?
No, it's right. Just needs to. Yeah.
we're gonna go to
Yesterday we were busy with Ben going through tours, making sure the handoff went nice and smooth. He's officially gonna be departing today. So I think now's a good time. Now's a good time to show off the hobo build. What are you doing?
Wiring.
Look at all that progress. Guy is back in the house. We've been missing him for the last 3 days. We had a wild snowdrift incident going on. How high would you estimate those snowdrifts?
At least.
A lot has happened in the hobo build. Guy's plumbing today.
That did my ABS drain, and now I'm working on PEX.
Okay, we haven't really gone over the layout yet in the hobo build, so I'm gonna take you guys through that right now. So we got steps coming in. Right here will be a bit of a possible TV entertainment, kind of a tabletop. This is the single set of dinettes right here. This will turn into a bed as well. This is our kitchen prep. This is our fridge right here, and a full height pantry. Once we get up our step, open shelving pantry, doorway somewhere in here. This will become the bedroom. That's a queen bed right there, full length. And the bathroom's on this side. So somewhere here, we'll have a wall going to the roof. And this is going to be a trough tub right here. Trough tub, toilet. If we get to the rear, this is gonna be where most of the utilities are. We've got all our batteries are gonna be housed here. We've got water heater. This will be storage. Okay, so that was a look at the hobo and where it's currently at. Behind me here, the boys are working on Ponderosa. That's Abby, that's our first Ponderosa spec build. Currently wiring happening. Here's a little look.